What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, unboxing videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today we're going to unbox our September company for Year of the Beard, Turnbull Tonics. So stay tuned through the intro. Welcome back. So today, like I said, we're going to talk unboxing and our products for the month of September 2022. These are coming from Turnbull Tonics, and yes, these are coming from Utah. So we're going to open this up, see what all we have to use for the month, and go from there. If you're unfamiliar with Year of the Beard, 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month of nothing but their products going in my beard. That's the only products that I use for that entire month. And then I give you updates and I give you a full final thoughts at the end of the month to tell you what I thought about it. So without further ado, we're going to be using the Gerber Air Ranger. See that textured skins on this. I'm going to be using this to get in here. So let's go. Now, I don't know what all's in here. And we have done Turnbull Tonics on from another year on Year of the Beard. So I don't know if we'll have any of the same stuff, but we will see. I'll try to make this not a 30-minute video, but we'll see how that goes. Let's close this up and get it to the side. And we have packing peanuts. We have a card. Let's see what it says. Thank you. Hey Doug, happy birthday month. Yes, my birthday is in September. Thanks for doing another Year of the Beard with me. I hope you enjoy these products. Wookie Cafe, if you remember that from the last time we did Turnbull Tonics. Wookie Cafe Balm is a new formula with more wax in it. The All Natural has a bit more too. Enjoy this month. Look forward to your reviews. Cheers, Brad. So let's see what we have in here. So just for the sake of these peanuts, I'm going to go ahead and try to get as much of this out. And then we'll go individually. I don't, off the top of my head, remember all the scent profiles we had last time, and now the sun has come out from behind some trees. So let's just start unwrapping. So we have Wookie Cafe Beard Balm. So you can see that. Goodness gracious, that sun just hit at a wrong time. Ah, Wookie Cafe, look at that. All right, so that's our balm. We have one more. Let's see which one this one is. All right, so we have another balm. Looks like it melted just a touch. This is all natural. Let's see. Looks the same. Can looks the same, and that sun has gotten brutal. So we have two beard balms. We've got Wookie Cafe and All Natural, which is a unscented. So we have beard butters. We have All Natural, which comes in these awesome jars. Look at that. The sun might help me out just a little bit, other than me looking at the camera. This is All Natural. Smells like an unscented. It's all natural ingredients. I think I remember doing something with All Natural before. It's got a little bit of that carrier scent to it, but usually that doesn't last very long. Next butter we have is Old Man's Porch. Again, our butter jar. It melted a little bit. It is getting hot, it's already hot here. So I wasn't able to be at home the day it arrived. And so I had to get it, throw it in the fridge for a little bit, let everything get back solid, and hope for the best. All right, we're almost unwrapped. Oh. One more. Okay, so we have a vegan series. I'm gonna turn my hat around just so that'll take some of it off. So we have the vegan series. This is Euphoria Grove. But check out that bottle. The sun's helping me with that. It's a rainbow, I mean a blend. It goes from like a purple to a blue and it changes throughout there. So Euphoria Grove. Shake. That smells good. I will be wrong if I say what I think it is, but we're gonna come back. Each one of these will get its own update video. So this one is Lucky's Growth Tonic. You see that? This cobalt blue bottle. Give it a shake. Ooh. Eucalyptus, peppermint, maybe a combination. All right, Wookie Cafe. So we got this just an amber glass bottle. Give this a shake. Okay, that Wookie Cafe is so good. It's like a cookie shop. Man, it smells good. Candyman. All right, so we got Candyman and another blue bottle. Give it a shake. Ooh, what is that? That smells really good. All right, we got two more. So let's see. Old Man's Porch again. Had this one in butter. I'm getting tobacco in that, but I don't know what else. It's real subtle, so we'll definitely check that one out. And then last we have Backwoods Yeti. You see that there in that amber bottle. What is that? These are really subtle scents, which is good. Some people like a subtle scent more than a loud slap you in the face scent. That's what these are. These are subtle scents. So I'm gonna go and check these out and give you update videos along and throughout the month, and come back at the end of the month with the final thoughts and rank these scents for you. These smell amazing. They're very subtle, so I'm hoping that changes when I get them in my hands and get them in my beard. So that they have a little bit of duration to them. But right now they smell really, really subtle. So maybe they'll pick it up a notch. But thank you so much to Turnbull Tonics and participating in Year of the Beard for a second go round. So we're gonna jump right into this month, and yeah, come back. We've got oils, we've got butter, and we got balm. So hopefully it will be an amazing month, and stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you are notified when new videos drop. And yes, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.